from West Coast Hiking, and today I am in the Marin Headlands. Gonna explore some old military sites, Nike missile site, Bonita Lighthouse, maybe a few others. But first stop, Visitor Center. Well, the Visitor Center wasn't very exciting. It had a little display, got a picture of an old soldier, but got a map, and I have some time to kill before the Nike missile site opens up. So I'm gonna go explore around the Marin Headlands, maybe check out a couple bunkers, a couple of old military sites, and see what's here. So let's go explore. This is Rodeo Beach. Except I don't see any bull riders or cowboys. These barracks and buildings over here, that's Fort Cronkite. And this over here is Rodeo Lagoon. And one happy dog. I tell you what, these old military barracks bring back some memories. These are the kind I stayed in when I was in basic training at Fort Knox. Good memories and some not so good memories. So now I'm going to check out Battery Alexander. Look around here, it's hard to believe that there are gun batteries up here. There's where I was earlier. Rodeo Beach, Rodeo Lagoon, and Fort Cronkite. Battery or Rourke? Let's check it out. Battery Smith Guthrie up this trail. A little more extensive. Guess the boogeyman is in there. So, big gun was there. Look how big that is. Boom. Tell you what, the entrance into San Francisco Bay was well defended. Just look at all these gun emplacements just right here, and this is just the tip of the iceberg. I mean, there's one right there, there's a smaller one right there, the one we're on, O'Rourke, which is right there, and now I'm heading over to Alexander, which is over there, and this is just this side. We hadn't even got over to the side where you can actually see San Francisco. Let's keep going. Right over there is the Nike missile site. That's what we're going to check out later when it opens up. It's supposed to have an active Nike missile that they let the public play with. That ought to be interesting, right? You know, this just makes me upset. It makes me upset. I stopped specifically here to see Battery Alexander because it is a big battery and it's actually a really nice battery, but I just don't want to show it to you because there is so much graffiti on this thing, and the graffiti is curse words, cuss words, just nasty stuff. And it's just a shame that people have to graffiti what is essentially historical landmarks. But I don't know. They need to get a hold of this and get a grip on this and stop the graffiti somehow. I don't know what they can do, but it's just a shame. It really is a shame. I'm disappointed. I'm at the backside of Battery Wallace. I think they had the best view of them all. Check it out. Look at that. But let's go see the front side of Battery Wallace. They definitely had a very big gun here. Let's see how far down here we can get. It's a little spooky. Just a little too dark there, even with the flashlight, to see anything. But it was just basically empty, a few wires hanging out. Let's check out some more. Well, looks like Mother Nature wants to take this one back. Maybe she can cover up all that graffiti for us. What do you think? Let's go see if the Nike missile site is open now. Closed, just my luck, even though everything online says it's open on Sundays. This is about as good as we get to see. In there somewhere is a firecracker I want to light. Hey, maybe see this dude here. Can you see this dude? In the guard shack? See him? See him? He looks like a real dummy. Well, I guess no Nike missile site this time. Looks like they're actually doing a little restoration. Looks like a new driveway. So maybe this will be open again in the future soon. Come back and light that firecracker. Now we're heading up to Hawk Hill down this long, dark tunnel. We're about halfway through this tunnel. The echo's pretty nice. tunnel. Looks like it goes up a little. Another tunnel. I think that one goes to a gun battery. Let's see what's over here. Just a valley. Look at this one. Gun here, it was huge. Look at those bolts that held the thing down. Holy moly. Alright, so now we're going to head over to Battery Spencer. That is like an iconic site for taking pictures of the Golden Gate. Not really the battery itself, but if I can get in, we're going to take a look at the battery and we'll try and take some of our own iconic Golden Gate Bridge photos, okay? Let's go. Alright, so I did end up making it into Battery Spencer. So let's see how close we can get to the Golden Gate and get a nice picture. Alright, coming into Battery Spencer. Some more big gun emplacements. See what I mean by this being a place for the iconic picture of the Golden Gate? Look at all the people. And I will leave you with